up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host, Chef Kirk, and you know how it gets down on Budget Wednesday. We go in these cabinets, and we go in this refrigerator, and we get to do some bomb meals for you. But I just want to say one other special announcement. I don't know who messed with Mother Nature down in South Florida, but I would like to apologize to Mother Nature and say, listen, on behalf of everyone in South Florida, we're so sorry. Give us back our heat. We want our heat. Miami Heat. I'm not a Miami fan, so I'm a Knicks fan all the way. Yeah, they suck, but whatever. Anyways, back to what I was talking about. Welcome to Budget Wednesdays. Let's get in these cabinets, let's get in these refrigerators, and see what's popping for this week episode of Budget Wednesday. Alright guys, so let's take a look in the cabinet, see what we have. Alright, off the bat, you know what? I got bread. Lucky 7 bread. Trader Joe. Trader Joe do get a lot of my money. Alright, we're gonna try that bad boy. I don't see nothing else. Okay, let's go with the refrigerator. Okay, spring mix. I'm gonna go with that bad boy. And I have salmon. Someone went shopping, baby. I got some salmon. Wild caught salmon. That's about it. So I think I'm gonna just have it basic this week. I think I'm just gonna have salmon and salad. Salmon salad. I don't think you want that, but anyways, we're gonna see what we could do right quick with the salmon and the salad. And hey, stay tuned. All right, guys. So we have a grain and seed bread. We have some onions, some peppers, some cucumber, carrots, scallion, tomato, organic, of course, spring mix, banana peppers, some Greek olives. I did find some mushroom, and of course, our wild caught salmon. All right, let's get this started.
Why can't you come on and let us play? When are you going to come my way? What sort of things they've been telling you? I got to stop them from compelling you, girl. They just won't stop me from getting you. No. So many experience. Need my love, baby. Why can't you come on and let us play? When are you going to come my way? What sort of things they've been telling you? I got to stop them from compelling you, girl. They just won't stop me from getting you. Give me a try, 'cause I I'm gonna take you right there, love for a lifetime. I'm gonna make your life so clear, girl. Gonna make you mine. I'm gonna take you right there, love for a lifetime. I'm gonna make your life so clear. Gonna make you mine. Tell no lies, don't you cry, no goodbye. in your eyes, girl. So much you were. I'm not stupid, I'm not a fool. Know what I'm doing, I've been to school. Keep a firm grip on what you hold. More valuable than a pot of gold. I'm gonna take you there. Oh Lord, for a lifetime. I'm gonna make your life so clear. Oh, gonna make your mind, girl. I'm gonna take you there. Oh, yeah, for a lifetime. I'm gonna make your life so clear. Give me a try, 'cause I know that things will be right. Be your mind, don't deny. True love never dies. Give me a try, 'cause I know that things will be right. Be your mind, don't deny. True love never dies. Where do you go? Don't you need my love, baby? Why can't you come on and let us play? When are you going to come my way? What sort of things they've been telling you? I got to stop them from compelling you, girl. They just won't stop me from getting you. No. Where do you go? Don't you need my love, baby? Why can't you come on and let us play? When are you going to come?
All right, guys. So we made our salad and we all good to go. So you know the next step. We gotta try this bad boy out, see if it meets the qualification. You know what I mean? I'm gonna have to get a camera person this one because I really don't want to eat no salad. I'm tired of salad. I love salad. All right, let me take a look. Bite. So, now, on Budget Wednesday, I usually say something like, oh my god, but I'm hungry, and this is bad, and I love it. I'm about to go in, try the recipe, tell me what you think about it. It's real simple, really easy. Like I said, we started with nothing, and we made something great. Alright, whatever we find around the house, we put together, made this delicious salad. Now, I do catering, so if you need a caterer yourself or the house, your boy, if you're in anywhere part of the world, I do come to you. And I would like to come take over your kitchen, so please holler at me if you would like me to do a kitchen takeover. Alright, I'm out. I'm about to go finish this bad boy right now. Peace! Have a good night.
So much you